everybody, how are you doing today? Okay, this is we traveling on a GO train. This is a train travel. I wanted to show you how we travel in the train. This is we going through a tunnel, okay, and we are going towards Toronto from Mississauga. So this is called a GO train, where we are taking off. That's the GO train, how it looks like.
Over there. That's like the great bridge. It has holes.
Be careful.
I'm not taking a bike there.
Why?
Because I might go in the water.
Kids just absorb things.
What about Hyde Park? Remember we go Hyde Park?
The trees are still have not sprouted leaves, so it's not yet spring in Canada. It's almost April, and this is the St. Joseph's Health Center.
Yeah.
The water should live in that water.
There's ships there? Yep, you're right.
There's a
What did they call ship?
very precocious kid sitting next to me. CN. I hope you're having a lovely view from the train.
Pirate ship. No, you didn't see.
What? This comparatively empty train is, and it's reasonably like this.
No.
No part of Canada is ever as crowded as India is. This is like this most of the time, and it's still like slightly in the evening, so the rush hour is gone.